How's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the main board on an SMR 895U watch. So let's begin. So first what we're going to do is take our heat gun. We're going to start heating up the back housing. We don't want to get it too hot, just enough to loosen up the seal that's there. Alright, next what we're going to do is take the 3-point screwdriver. It's 2.0 by 25 millimeter screwdriver that you can purchase on our website. We're going to unscrew the 4 screws that hold the back housing down. Next we're going to take this pry tool and we're going to pry into the back housing. So work our way in there, work our way around. Make sure we don't damage the seal. And we got to make sure that we go all the way around and lift up each side equally, because there's these pins that go into the housing, and if you pull up too much on one side, it'll break in and it'll just be stuck into the housing. So what we're going to do is take this pry tool. It needs to be plastic. You don't want to use a metal one because you'll damage the connectors, and you'll unhook the back housing connector just to free up so you can see the board. So now what we want to do is we want to undo all the connections. And in this particular case, we could just leave the housing in the screen housing. We don't need to actually pry up the housing, take it apart. But what we're just going to do is use a Phillips screwdriver, the smallest one we have on our website. Take that, and then now the board should be loosened up. And what we're going to do is get the replacement board. We're going to put it back in there. This is super nice, no soldering involved, nothing like that. It's just plug and play, which makes things turn out way better and more successful. Make sure all the ribbons are plugged all the way in. Get the Phillips screwdriver, screw that screw back in. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the back housing. Usually you would, if you see this seal broken on the housing, usually what you would do is add the glue that we have on our website around to make a nice perfect seal. But since this is a brand new back housing seal, it does not need any glue, so it just makes it a lot neater also. But the glue washes off really easy if you end up using the glue. Plug that ribbon back in. And what we're going to do on the button side, make sure that pin goes in first before the speaker one goes in. That will be a lot better. Make sure it's flush on all ends. And then put the 4 screws back in using the Y screwdriver. Alrighty. And that is how you replace the main board on an SMR 895U watch. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.